The Canadian voters again were summoned to the polls in the November the 27th, 2000 federal parliamentary elections. The Liberals were able to secure a third consecutive majority government, to some extent because of the lackluster and controversial performance of the Canadian Alliance's leader Stockwell Day, known as an evangelical or even Pentecostal Christian, a young earth creationist, and so forth. And he also had served as the principal of a private Christian school. The number of elected members to the House of Commons remained at 301. The turnout was down to 64.1%. The Liberals took 172 seats with 40.9% of the popular vote, or about 5,252,000 votes. The Alliance, or the Canadian Alliance, took 66 seats with 25.5%, or 3,277,000 votes. The Bloc Québécois, still led by Gilles Duceppe, took 38 seats with 10.7% of the vote, or 1,378,000 votes. The New Democrats were down to 13 seats with 8.5% of the vote, or 1,094,000 votes. The Progressive Conservatives, led by former Prime Minister Joe Clark, just barely retained their position as a registered party in the House of Commons with 12 seats and 1,567,000 votes. Chrétien continued as Prime Minister until he retired in December 2003 to be succeeded by his long-term prospective successor, former Finance Minister Paul Martin Jr.